Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use camera pro mode on the POCO X3 GT. To open the pro mode you have to go to the left side where we can find the pro mode. And first of all, I will recommend you to hit this information icon in the left upper corner of your preview, and right here you can find the base information about each parameter that you can adjust manually or automatically in this camera pro mode. So next I'm gonna show you how you can adjust these parameters. Let's start from the left side, from the white balance. As you can see right here we can find 4 default setups and also manual slider. To adjust this parameter automatically you have to click on this A icon and it goes to every parameter that we have right here. Only the exposure compensation is the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. As you can see, we cannot find here this automatic adjustment. Right now we can go for the focus range. The next one it's the shutter speed, and in this phone you can set it even for the 30 seconds. Next we can find ISO level, that was the exposure compensation that I just showed you a few moments ago. And here we can switch between the lenses, so we are right now on the wide lens. We can also go to the ultra wide lens or macro lens. When you go for the upper bar, when you tap right here, we can change camera aspect ratio. It's always the best to stay with the default 3x4 to get the best quality of the photos. We can also add shutter delay between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. We can also change the photo format by tapping right here. We can also add some grid lines. As you can see right now the lines appears on the screen and they help us basically to take better composition on the photos. We are also able to show the focus peaking on the screen. So that's this function. And also we can do this the same with the exposure verification. So take a look how it works. When you tap right here, we can also change color and temperature by moving our finger between these filters presets. When you click right here, we can also take 64 Ultra HD resolution photos, and by tapping right here we are also able to change matrix mattering, and at the left upper corner we can find the flashlight. So yeah, that's all for the camera pro mode on the POCO X3 GT. Hope you like it.